Well, good morning, everybody. Let's talk about brushing our dog's teeth, things Lucy hates. She has a small mouth, but, well, she hates getting her teeth brushed. I hate paying $1,000 for the dental cleaning, so we're even. So how do I keep her breath fresh and clean? It is not easy. She won't even open her mouth to show you her little clean teeth. She got them cleaned maybe 6 months ago, but okay, how do I do it? Simple and easy. We can see how unwilling she is, right? And I'm not going to be able to do this in camera. Let me show you what doesn't work in the easiest way I've found. Okay, she has a tiny little mouth. You can buy little toothbrushes like this, shove your finger up in it, brush her teeth, but she ain't having any of it. And plus, my fingers are too small. It falls off. I'm just saying this happened to my dog. I love using this, brush free. It has a nice little applicator on it, but I use this, and after a couple of days of using this, I wake up and there's, I'm not saying it causes it. I'm not saying that at all. I'm just saying this is what happens, is she throws up in my bed because I brush her teeth at night, and I don't like waking up to that. I do not like waking up. So I quit using this product about 3 or 4 weeks ago, and my bed has been cleaned. Yay. So what do I use? Now, there are 2 things that I like. This I got at the Dollar Tree for $1.25. And again, it comes with a dog toothbrush in it. And I don't know if I'm holding it upside down. I do not use the dog toothbrush. Miss Lucy won't have. But the toothpaste she really likes. Also, we got this at PetSmart or something. This toothpaste she likes really good. So how do I do it? I'm going to put her down. You will not be able to see the demonstration. But it is so simple. Now then, there's 4 quadrants in her mouth. I do her one side, bottom side, one side, bottom side. And I'm just going to show you what it looks like, but you won't be able to see her. And that's her shaking the camera. She does not like getting her teeth brushed. Shelby, on the other hand, is a good kid. She likes getting her teeth brushed. My dog is all dog. She is a hunter. She is rolling around in dirt. So all I do, I got 5 fingers available. 4 of them I use. This one I try to keep clean, or we put on a different lotion on her. Sit still, sit pretty. See, she will take off. She doesn't like getting brushed out. She is not. So I just squeeze a little bit. And remember, she has a small little mouth. Squeeze a little bit. Open her mouth. You want to show the people? She's like, no. Sit. She's like, I'm not doing this on camera. This is embarrassing, Mom. Lucy, come on. You don't want to do it on camera? She does not do this at home. She does not. She's like, this is not our nice soft bed. All right, you can just stand. And I just go in there. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Wiggle some toothpaste on. There you go. And I do a song, and I forget what song I do. This is the way we brush our teeth, brush our teeth, brush our teeth. This is the way we brush our teeth so early in the morning. Don't we, sweetheart? There we go. Sorry I stressed you. Tell everybody you survived, and then I'm going to shut off the camera and use the other 3 fingers. She hates this, but you know what? Like I said, I hate paying $1,000 for the dentist, and her teeth are staying clean. I do this 1 or 2 times a day. I'm not going to tell you what to do. Don't want to get sued here, but I try my best to take care of you, don't I, Miss Lucy? All right, we will see you down the road. Happy brushing, everybody. Oh, my gosh. Even worse than this is trying to give Shelby a pill, or you. Thank God. Oh, my God. Thank God you don't get your meds in pill form anymore. Kids, you love them, and put your stinking Memorial Day hat on, kiddo. There you go. Oh, my gosh. Anyhow, we will see you down the road. Bye, everyone.